mythology. He was also inspired by Elizabethan poets and especially like Shakespeare and Spenser. He was a pure romantic poet. Love for nature is the chief characteristic of all the romantics. Keats also loves nature, but he loves nature for the sake of nature. He doesn't give any theory or ideology about nature. He only admires the beauty of nature. Keats does not involve his personal feelings in his poetry. He writes poetry only for pleasure. The most important element in Keats's poetry is his love for sensuousness of life. We not only enjoy his poetry, but rather we taste, touch, see and hear all the ideas presented in his poetry. The whole of our body is involved in his poetry when we read him. Keats's love for beauty is reflected in almost all his poems. For Keats, for example, if we look at the poem Endymion and its very beginning